Hi guys! So now that all the welding is done, what are we gonna do? What's next? Nobody knows. Well, I know. We're gonna strip the paint on the hutch and the hood, and we're gonna prime them later, and then we're gonna think for the next step. So for now we have a little bit more work to do on the body. And the hutch, last time when I was editing the video, just then I realized that I didn't show you the inner lip here inside, what it looked like after it was done. So now I'm gonna take the whole hutch out. Anyways, I have to strip the paint and I'm gonna show it. There you go. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's almost there. You know what, let me strip the paint and maybe you're gonna be able to see it better, or it's gonna glow even more, I don't know. Okay, I stripped the paint for you so you can see better. I hope you can see better. This ridge, or whatever you want to call it, that I wanted to maintain is still there. There are just a couple of, just some uneven areas from the welding, but we're gonna take care of that. I think it looks okay. A little bit better than original. Okay, and now from here, the rest is stripping the paint. So the inside I'm going to do the same as on the body. I'm not going to strip the paint completely to bare metal because it seems to be holding well the original paint, so I can use it as a base. I'm just going to run the wire wheel on top and make sure that anything that's loose is removed, and when I reach something solid, which takes me forever to remove, I'm not going to even bother to remove it. Of course, I'm going to flip it around after, and on the outside I'm going to strip the paint to bare metal. But here I don't think I need to. Alright guys, I'm not going to hold you here, it's boring, isn't it? Just, you know what, go do something else if you have to, run some errands and come back in an hour or so, and I hope I'm gonna be done by then. Oh my god. Oh, you're here, guys? Wow, look at that, perfect timing. We've been together for such a long time that now we even have a perfect timing. So, we came just on time. I just finished. Outside, like I said, I cleaned all the paint, and inside I just left the primer. So, with the rear hutch we are done, and now, oh my god, we have to start with the bonnet, which is half a car. Okay, we're gonna divide the bonnet into 3 different sections: the 2 fender swings or quarter panels or whatever you want to call them, and the top part, which is, we can consider bonnet, let's say. Because if we consider it one piece, it's gonna take forever. This way it's gonna take same time, but at least I will know that I've done 3 pieces at the same time. Just trying to make excuses. So yeah, for now I'm not gonna remove it from the car. I'm gonna do the parts that I can reach as it is on the car, and because it is work day, it is Thursday today, so I'm gonna work like that today, and maybe tomorrow I can take it out, but then it's gonna be out for the weekend and I can work on it. You know what I mean? Did someone say the welding was over? Dreams, 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 dreams. So there's a stress crack here. Well, it's not too much, but still there is more welding. I'll show it to you later. Okay, so we've done one fender today. Well, we've done the hutch, and we have wires from the wire wheel all over the place. We've done the hutch and we've done one fender. This is good. It's like I said, it's Thursday today, so tomorrow night we're gonna do the same thing, and then we're gonna be here on the weekend, and hopefully we're gonna be able to strip everything. And who knows, we might even prime it. We will see. If not, maybe next weekend we're gonna have to prime it for sure, because we don't want to leave it for too long on bare metal. But this weekend, let's focus on stripping it, maybe stripping it outside and inside. I will see for inside if I'm gonna disassemble all the supports and stuff or not. We will see what we're gonna do inside. We will decide when we get there. For sure I want the bonnet to look nice inside as well, because it's gonna be open when the car is at car shows, I guess. I hope. I hope I'm gonna be proud with what's inside, so I'm gonna be opening it on the car shows. But we'll see when we get there. For now, I'm gonna go home because I'm tired. Alright, it's the next day and we're gonna work again on the bonnet. So I'm gonna strip the other fender as well. And then we're gonna move to the top. But for now, we're gonna work on this. I'm real dirty today because all day I'm working on another project, and I'm not gonna tell you what. It's gonna be a surprise. So you will see. Stay tuned for a surprise. Yeah, so it's Friday today, so I'm gonna work as much as I can on the bonnet as it is on the car, and when I'm at a point where I can't work anymore like that, then I'm gonna take it out, and hopefully we're gonna finish it this weekend, because I think it's possible to finish this and maybe prime all the parts that we need to prime, at least the bonnet and the hatch. The valances, we might work on them later. We'll see. Let's not make too many plans, right? Good thing everything in this room is on wheels, including tables and even the 74. Oops, I think I showed too much. So we can move around stuff and we can make room for the project that we're working on. So in this case it is the GT6. We want to work on this side, so we can turn it around as we wish. What about the 74? Why is it stripped? It's a big secret. Okay. Alright. Excuse me. So it's the next day, Saturday, and I passed by the hardware store and I got one of these because my old one was done and I didn't know that. So if you noticed, last night I used the same thing but different type in two different ways. So I used this one like this and this one like this, but it was taking me forever with them. I know that with this one, this way is much better than these. So hopefully that's gonna help us finish the rest of the bonnet faster. That was my phone. I'm sorry, I had to pick up this. Oh my god, your lens is in a very bad shape. Oh my god. Real bad. Well, that took like 7-8 minutes. If it was with this, last night it would take half an hour and more. Oh, I'm happy. Wasn't too bad. With this disc it was much easier and faster. Okay, I still have some areas to finish, but this I think I'm gonna do when I take out the hood because it's hard to do here. I have to remove this, and here I think I'm gonna have to use the wire wheel. So yeah, so now I'm gonna open the bonnet and I'm going to try to work inside as much as I can before I remove it from the car, because it looks like it is easier like this. If I put it on the floor or on horses, it's going to be much more flimsier, I think. We'll see. Alright, for the inside, well, can't hear my own voice and it's so weird. I'm not going to strip all the paint from inside. I'm just going to use the wire wheel. I'm gonna run it everywhere where I can reach, because I know in some areas it's gonna be really hard. Unfortunately, I will have to remove all the supports. I didn't want to get involved in that, but I'm not gonna be able to do a good job if I don't, because I'm so dusty. So I'm gonna have to remove all the supports and clean the supports properly and paint them, clean and paint the part under the supports, so I will take them off. But of course I'm going to take them off when the bonnet is off the car. This sticker here, I don't know. For now I'm going to take it off and I'll try to work around it. I took a picture of it also, so maybe I'll print it later and then I'll install there. I don't know. We'll see what I'm going to do. For now I'm going to tape it off and I'll try to work around. Right, so I cleaned here as much as possible with the wire wheel. And then here inside the gap I couldn't go with the wire wheel, of course, so I started using a piece of sandpaper and just scraping manually, and then inside there's a gap here. I'm gonna bring you closer so you will see. there's a gap here, so I'm using my sandpaper there as well, and all the way as far as I can reach from here, and then I'm gonna try it the other way around. And it works pretty well, but I found something disturbing, so I want to show you. Okay, so here in this gap I'm using my sandpaper, and even I shove it inside here. I'm trying to do it one-handed here, or I just put it on my scraper and shove it inside like that, and I try to clean everything. But this is not my worry now. My worry is somewhere else. Let me show you. I was cleaning these runs, and then I suddenly noticed light coming through there. Let me try and point the light on the other side. So there's a whole piece of the flange missing here. So from here somewhere to here, the flange of this top piece is rotten. It's missing. From here down, it's perfect. I don't know if you can see all the way down there, but I can. And the flange is good down there, but here in this area, it is missing. So I'm not sure how do I want to fix that, but obviously I'll have to fix it. We'll see. I might change a whole piece like this with a flange, or I might just do a corner weld here and grind it on the outside better. I don't know. We'll decide. We'll decide later. For now, I'll just keep cleaning. Alright guys, I cleaned this whole area now above the support. Everything is almost cleaned. When we take the bonnet off, we're gonna see it better, so maybe we're gonna be able to clean it even more when it's off. But I can't work anymore like that. It's hard to reach, yeah, I cleaned also here inside like I did on the other side, and here everything is fine. There's no rust anymore. So what I think I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take it off the car. So to take it off the car, I have to take it in that other room over there and use the overhead crane, because I can't do it on my own without the help of a crane. But first I think I'm gonna blow everything, because she is red already. So I'm gonna blow her well, I'm gonna take her out, and then I'm gonna clean this room very well, because it is a disaster. So I think the rest of the day we're gonna spend cleaning. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for this video, because I have already too much footage, and it's more than enough for one video, I think. I was planning to finish all the paint stripping and everything, and all the cleaning of the hood in this video, but it looks like it's too much for one video, so we're gonna end it up here, and we're gonna have another one soon. Right, so stay tuned guys. Bye. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!